We are extremely privileged to have amongst us our Honorable Chancellor, Dr. Aseem Chauhan, respected Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. P.B. Sharma, respected Deputy Vice Chancellor, Major General Bhim Singh Sohar, respected Pro Vice Chancellor and Dean Academics, Professor Dr. Padma Kali Banerjee, our esteemed guests of the day, Mr. Mohit Soni, CEO, Media and Entertainment Sector, Skill Council, Mr. Avik Datta, Country Director, Digital Ed India, and Mr. Brij Sarda, Founder and Head, Medicare Healthcare Advising and Training, Nagpur, Deans, Directors, and other senior members of the academic fraternity at Amity University, Haryana. Professor Dr. Padma Kali Banerjee is a thought leader and life coach with over 2 decades of experience in research, teaching, training, and academic administration. She is involved in strategic planning and leads the development and implementation of the university's academic processes. May I have the pleasure of inviting Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Dean Academics, and Director, Amity Business School, Professor Dr. Padma Kali Banerjee, to kindly deliver the welcome address. Ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Monica. A very good morning to one and all on this auspicious month of August 31st. I welcome each and every student to this orientation program. I must tell you that although we are not able to see each one of you, very soon in our interactive sessions, we will be seeing you face to face on this virtual world. But I must tell you that I can feel your presence. I can feel the kind of, exuberance that is there. I can see the excitement that must be there right from the morning. I must welcome each one of you once again to this great university. Amity University, Haryana in Gurugram, which is a lovely, 110-acre green, lush green campus. And I must tell you, when I was yesterday was taking a walk, I saw a beautiful rainbow in the sky. And I really thought of each one of you, that you're starting a new era, you're starting a new transformation in your life. You're coming in from many of you have come in from the K-12 schools to higher education. And many who are joining the master's, programs, which is going to change your life. I think which is very, very important to tell you is that, at Amity University, Haryana, we provide and we strive for achieving excellence through academic innovations, industry integration, and internationalization. And if you look at few of the things that I thought I must mention to you is that, my heart goes out to each one of you. All of you have shown so much of resilience. And in this year, which is going to be a historical year of 2020, you have come out successful. You are some of the lucky ones who are part of such a great institution and you are attending an orientation program. I must tell you that few of the things that can make life very good is going to be a clear set of goal setting that you need to do. And to define goal, I must tell you, it is nothing but your dreams with a direction. So I would ask each of you not to stop dreaming. Start looking at what you want to do in the next 5 years, 10 years, how you want the life to unfold. We have been talking about transformation change. All these years, we have been talking about rapid change, but we have seen such a revolutionary change in the last 6 months through the pandemic. So what I would request each one of you is to do that. What are the things that you need to concentrate to build your new capabilities, competencies to deal with this, ever-changing world? We have all witnessed the kind of policies that world over people have taken in order to handle crisis. My heart goes out to you. You are learners in crisis. And I also see in each one of you a change agent who's going to come and contribute to not only to your own community, to your own family, to the state, but to the country and also to the globally while doing a lot of good research by contributing as a great resource. I would also like to tell you that, as you move on to a university life, very soon we would again welcome you at the campus once we open up. And I must tell you the kind of, interface that you're going to have. You can see in your panel eminent, deans and directors who have joined you. I feel very thrilled that we are all there to welcome you on this platform. Our Honorable Chancellor, the most dignified and charismatic leader, Dr. Aseem Chauhan, is here. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Deputy Vice Chancellor, Deans and Director, on behalf of each one of them, I once again welcome you. I want each one of you to make a difference in the lives of people around you. So what you have to do is not only you would be attending classes, but you will be getting a lot of experiential learning. You would be attending a lot of corporate, talks. You're going to interact with industry leaders. You're going to have live immersion programs that you're going to work closely with the industry. And through the centers of excellence, as you have seen a great video that was played, where you will see that you would get an opportunity to learn. So these are the practice, research, outreach centers, and you're going to work constantly with them, with your faculty members, both in terms of creating a new idea or in order to even do a patent. I must also tell you that you would get great opportunities at the university where we have entrepreneurship cell, we have an incubator, where a lot of your entrepreneurial ideas will get a lot of mentoring. So we believe in a very close-knit family. We call ourselves as an Amity family. Just like India, we talk about Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. At Amity, we talk about that kind of compassionate relationship that we share among teachers. All of these deans and directors, if you see, they have closely bonded with the students. And what we look at is each one of you, you're going to get a mentor. You're going to get a mentor from your faculty, and you will definitely get a buddy from your classmates, from your seniors. Very soon, not only will you hear the words of wisdom from the Chancellor and the Vice Chancellor and some of the deans and directors, you would also be interacting to the youth of Amity through the club activities, the kind of outreach activities that are going on. You saw a glimpse of a military training, experience that you get. It is one of its experience, I must tell you. So whether it is your life when you get into the campus or when you're away from the campus, you will feel that kind of warmth between people that we share amongst the Amity. And I must also put on record that, we have our honorable founder president, who is the founder of the university. He always believes that, India is going to be soon a superpower. So we need to all work for it. For that, my last thought to you is that, the world over, people have thought about 2030 to become a world which will be a very sustainable world. Not only will you be doing innovations or discovery or inventions, but you will create a very innovative world and a very sustainable world where you will be having a better, peaceful, and a happier world. For that, I request each one of you that please look into the Sustainable Developmental Goals. There are about 17 such goals. And how would you move into one of those goals and work while you learn at the university? And to do all of that, you should have a very strong belief in yourself. Have respect for your family, for your parents, for many of the parents. I would also welcome many of you also join virtually, that have a belief, work with your team, show a good teamwork. And at the end of all, you need a great resilience and optimistic intelligence. So with these words, I welcome each and every members who are present here. And I am feeling very, very happy. Right from the morning, I saw a beautiful sunrise. And I knew that today we are going to have a great day. And I'm going to spend many more hours with you on the next few days. So thank you once again to everybody who are making the life beautiful for the university, for the students. And I have a lot of faith in what our chosen faculty, we have handpicked faculty who are going to mentor you. So once again, I welcome each and every student and to this campus. We are going to carve you with the palm of our hands. We're going to really set that kind of an environment on this campus, nurture you, help you, give you a direction. We want each one of you to be winners. We want you to be a leader of tomorrow, the change agents who are going to make the life and living beautiful for everybody on this earth. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. That was indeed a very exhilarating and inspiring address. A decorated former army officer, Major General Suhag, was the Vice Chancellor of Maharishi Dayanand University, Rohtak, for 2 consecutive terms and was instrumental in streamlining the academic structure of a regional university and brought it at par with the other top universities. He is currently the Deputy Vice Chancellor of our university. May I now invite Honorable Deputy Vice Chancellor, Sir, Major General Bhim Singh Suhag, to kindly address the gathering. Sir. May I request the Deputy Vice Chancellor, Sir, to please address the gathering?
Now they can hear you. I can't do it.
So,
Sir, you are visible.
Please go on, General Sohag. Unmute your microphone in front of you. Just unmute your microphone first. Major General Sohag, please unmute your microphone.
My request to host to please unmute Sir's mic, please.
उनके पास ही कोई होना चाहिए.
Yes, sir. Now, sir, your mic is unmute. Sir, please.
No, sir, he's unmuted.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
We can
sir.
hear you, sir.
Okay. Good morning, everyone, and my hearty welcome to our new students joining Amity University, Haryana in these unusual times. I say unusual times because Corona has created an uncertain environment with a sense of fear in people's minds. But let me assure our aspiring students that the Amity University, Haryana, you can feel at ease because of the clean environment that AUH campus offers both to day scholars and the hostelers. Besides, till the regular classes commence at the campus, the university has a very efficient online teaching programs, systems, and this facility will ensure continuity in the in the studies of aspiring students. In addition, the university offers a website with a personal login for every student, which gives access to both academic and extracurricular activities, along with a feedback facility, thus ensuring constant connectivity between students, faculty, and staff. We at the Amity welcome you for a fruitful academic pursuit and all-round development, personality development. Wish you all the best and hearty welcome once again.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. A reputed academician, Professor Dr. P.B. Sharma, the Vice Chancellor of Amity University, Gurugram, is a man of vision, an institution builder, a breakthrough leader with speed leadership qualities, and is known for his relentless pursuit of relevance-driven excellence and for promotion of world-quality education, research, innovations, and entrepreneurship. May I have the pleasure of inviting Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. P.B. Sharma, to kindly address the gathering. Sir.
Namaskar and a very good morning to each one of you. It's indeed a matter of great privilege and honor for me as the Vice Chancellor of Amity University, Gurugram, to address you all on the auspicious day of the beginning of the academic session 19-20-21. Let me therefore extend a very warm welcome to each one of you, especially to our honorable founder, President Sir, the founder of Amity Education Group, and also to our honorable Chancellor Sir, to my Deputy Vice Chancellor, Pro Vice Chancellor, the deans, the faculty, the directors of the institutions, members of the faculty, officers of the university, staff of the university, distinguished invited for the today's program, dear freshers and our parents, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to all of you. What a great privilege it is to address the young, inspired minds who have chosen to study at India's premier university and to join the class of 2020-21. My warmest greeting to you, dear freshers, and to your proud parents on the momentous occasion of your very first day at Amity University, Haryana, a university of new age where modernity blends with tradition, caused by the synergy of minds of inspired and talented faculty, where most advanced scientific endeavors and technological advancement takes place in our laboratories and research centers, where talented faculty, student community, and university together works in a university like ours, which is an abode of living and learning in harmony with nature. Madam Dr. Padma Kali already informed you about the lush green campus which we have around. And as I'm addressing to you on my left-hand side through the window, I can see the excellent greenery in the university giving me fresh air for each one of us who live in the campus. In fact, the quality of air in our campus throughout the year is at least twice better than what you have in the Millennium City, and at least 3 times better than what you would have in the national capital city of Delhi. And therefore, your 8 hours which you spend with us at the campus would give you the right to breathe clean air, fresh air, and would certainly give you excellent health also during your lifetime. Young budding professionals of the digital age, you are joining your higher studies after the most pressing times of corona pandemic that has caused great anxieties, even fears of uncertainty unprecedented in the history of mankind. As such, this is the defining time in your life as you embark upon making a great beginning of your professional education at this research and innovation-driven university that has earned for itself a high repute for quality education, globally recognized research and innovations. You must be highly excited about your choice. I'm delighted to mention that it is the commitment and passion to integrate education with research in a culture of innovation and the use of advanced technology in education that is the major differentiator of Amity University, Gurugram, that places us class apart among the universities in India. You should therefore have a great sense of satisfaction to nurture yourself as professionals of the digital age that requires you to equip with the capability to learn, to adopt and practice the most advanced technologies and scientific tools of decision making, to nurture a conduct and character akin to the clarion calls of personal integrity, total transparency, and responsible citizenship, as these are the abiding hallmarks of the new digital transformation sweeping across all sectors of human endeavor, education included. I wish you all success in your intellectual and professional pursuits at Amity University, Haryana. May I also take this opportunity to express my profound gratitude to the Honorable Founder President, Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan, sir, and to our inspirational leader, Honorable Chancellor, Dr. Aseem Chauhan ji, for giving me the rare privilege and honor to be the part of the great mission Amity and to serve along with my worthy team of officers and enlightened faculty members this great university, which in a short span of 10 years has earned for itself high repute and global eminence for its accomplishments. Serving such a great university and to be part of the Amity University system is a matter of great privilege and honor, and I feel greatly enthused and inspired by the inspired minds of the students and talented faculty, world-class infrastructure, and the vision of the founding fathers of this great university to serve you as the Vice Chancellor of this great university. On this very important day of your journey, on the path of enlightenment and glory, when you are embarking upon a new dawn of your professional life at this prestigious university, I thought, let me share with you some of my thoughts on this historic day of your life. I have chosen the topic to address you, inspired minds of the digital age, innovate, excel, and make Mother India proud. This is not an ordinary mission, my friends. Making Mother India proud would require you to equip yourself, to empower yourself with the great capabilities of the kind that are required to address the great challenges we already have on our doorstep. We have to provide a great turnaround to the economy of our great nation by our science and technology acumen, by our managerial capabilities, by our leadership qualities, and by our firm commitment and resolve to create the layers of prosperity that would ensure that India is a developed and prosperous nation once again after the corona crisis that had devastated the economies of the nations of the world, India is included. The challenge is also to ensure that you empower yourself with the capabilities of the kind with which you would be able to work in highly uncertain times ahead and would be able to adopt the change in technology and the skills of the kind that would be demanded from you in the years to come. The challenge is also to ensure that you empower yourself and equip yourself with the conduct and character to submit to the calls of peace, harmony, peaceful coexistence, truthfulness of the kind that is very much required in the digital age, and also to embrace the new digital technologies which are ever changing and giving us, in fact, a challenge to assimilate the latest advances that are taking place at unprecedented levels. And therefore, during your studies at this university, you would be having the advantage of the very best quality of education that we shall impart you, partly online and partly offline in the classroom when the good time comes. And I'm pretty sure you would be able to not only get the up-to-date and state-of-art understanding of the knowledge as well as the skill sets that are required, you would also be empowered with the capabilities of the kind that will make you industry ready so that you are in a position to serve Mother Nature and respond to the clarion calls of not only developing the layers of prosperity of our economy, but also to take the head-on the challenge of creating a society where we all submit to the cause of maintaining the great health of our environment. Corona crisis, corona pandemic had taught us that the great damage which we did to the environment by our accelerated developmental policies without caring for the environmental health, undoubtedly during the corona period, we found that the nature has healed itself up. We could see the blue sky. We could see the blue waters, even in river Yamuna and Ganges, the holy rivers of our country. And we were given to understand that the nature cleans itself, provided we don't spoil it. But now the challenge on each one of us shoulder is that while we accelerate our development and growth, we also submit to the cause of maintaining the good health of the environment, the quality of air, the quality of water, maintaining a rich biodiversity of the kind which I have here in Amity University, Haryana, where 42 varieties of butterflies, the dancing peacocks, hundreds of cows are here in our campus, and the beautiful greenery inspires us to live and learn, as I said, in the lap of nature. And it is this kind of preparation you would be doing while studying here in our university. Let me also leave you with the thought that this is the age where innovations are being caught in plenty. And each one of you, in my opinion, have tremendous amount of creativity and innovative power in you. And you will find ample avenues and opportunities during your studies here at Amity University, Haryana, to utilize your innovative and creative potential and to become great innovators in your own time here during the studies. Many of you may become entrepreneurs while you study here in the university. Many of you would be able to start new startups with the latest technologies and know-how which you will come across, and you will be able to transform your ideas into innovative products and improve processes and go back to the society with a firm commitment and resolve, not only to strengthen the economy, as I said, but to serve the society with utmost devotion and commitment, because the value system of Amity would also prepare you for life to have unmatched atmita, a commitment and resolve, a sense of belonging to your society, and the commitment to ensure that you give your very best to the society to which you serve hereafter. It is this kind of preparation for which you are embarking upon today, and I extend to you a very warm welcome to the university on this very first day and invite you to utilize the very best facilities which we have in our research centers, in our innovation galleries, innovation laboratories, in the very best research labs which we have set up here in areas of biological sciences, biotechnology, robotics and automation, artificial intelligence and augmented reality, data science and big data analytics, and host of them, so that you would be able to really nurture yourself, prepare yourself to be the leaders of the new age, which is very much descended already in terms of the new digital age for our country. Let me also remind you that one of the very important responsibility of higher education is not only to impart you with the knowledge and capabilities, but to create in you responsible citizenship. And it is this I want to ensure that everybody who studies in Amity University, at the end of the day, after 4 years, let him go back to the society. Let society say what a man, what a boy he is, what a girl she is, who is so responsible to the society, to the nation, to the community, and to Mother Nature. High civic sense is very much required from you. Technology, transparency, and trust would be your abiding faith, and you would be accelerating creation of fair prosperity and happiness together. And you would also be achieving, actively participating in the national missions which our nation has already chalked out. The national pride and global citizenship would be the hallmark of your personality. And it is with this kind of commitment you would be here in our campus. The host of the student activities pursued under the able guidance and leadership of our Dean of Student Welfare, Major General G.S. Wall, would provide you ample opportunities to showcase your innovative and talented talent in variety of activities, including activities with which you would be participating in groups and clubs and societies, which we have plenty in our country. Let me finish by reminding you that the journey has just begun today. And this journey must fill you with a sense of inspiration, a commitment and resolve to march with tremendous amount of competence hereafter, and to utilize the very best environment which Amity University Gurugram provides to you during your 3 or 4 years of studies here at our university, and go back to the society with tremendous amount of competence, confidence, courage, and conviction, and make Mother India proud. May I take this opportunity to once again thank you and your proud parents for attending the orientation program today. And during this week, you will be apprised about in great detail the goodness which we have created, the commitment which we have made, and in fact, our march on the path of excellence to which we have already started and walked during the last 10 years. You will have plenty of opportunity to understand our system, our rules and regulations. And I, as a Vice Chancellor, invite you to submit to the call of Atma Sanyam, self-discipline, and also to ensure that you abide and create the decorum of the kind that is required in a university like ours. While taking admission in Amity University, you have committed yourself to get the very best education, have opportunities to innovate and excel, but at the same time, as I said, maintain highest standards of self-discipline and decorum that is expected in institutions of higher learning that I call the temples of learning in India. With these words, ladies and gentlemen, may I express my profound gratitude to the Honorable Founder President, Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan sir, to my Honorable Chancellor, Dr. Aseem Chauhan ji, and to all my trustees of RBEF and senior officers who are always eager to help you out and to give you the very best support which you require so that you study in our university and get the very best out of the great university to which you have taken decision to join. Very warm welcome to you once again. Let Mother India bless you. Let God Almighty bless you. Let the blessings of the divine be with you, which we have invoked in our Havan this morning, imbibing the spirit of giving back to the nature what we have received. And let God Almighty give you all the courage and conviction to march on the path to excellence throughout your life, even after passing from this university. With these words, may I extend to you a very warm welcome on this auspicious day of your very first day at Amity University, Gurugram. Thank you so much indeed, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your enlightening words will surely be a guiding light for the new entrants to the Amity family. I think we have been joined by our Chancellor. We will wait for sir. Till then, may I now request the welcome messages from the deans and the head of institutions of Amity University, Gurugram, welcoming all our students. May I request the host to please play the welcome messages?
Good morning. I am Rajendra Prasad, Dean of Research and also Director of Amity Institute of Biotechnology.
we feel extremely honored by the gracious presence of our Honorable Chancellor, Amity University, Haryana, Dr. Aseem Chauhan. Passion can navigate your way to success. These are the words of our charismatic leader. May I now invite our Honorable Chancellor, Sir, Dr. Aseem Chauhan, to shower his gracious blessings on the new entrants to the Amity family and share his valuable thoughts. Sir.
My dear Amitians, what a great day it is when we welcome our new students into the portals of a great university, Amity University, Haryana, in Gurgaon. I'm thinking that in the life of a student, 2 days stand out most. One is the first day, and then one is the last day when you graduate. And we fondly look at the journey that you have undertaken in the number of years that your program lasts, and how much you grow, how much you develop in that time. I was listening carefully to the words of your great Vice Chancellor, Professor P.B. Sharma, your great Deputy Vice Chancellor, General Sohag, and your very dynamic Pro-Vice Chancellor, Dr. Padmakali Banerjee. I can assure you one thing. We have a team at Amity University that is committed to your development, to your success, and to make sure that you are able to fulfill your dreams in every possible way. You would have seen by the words of your many deans and directors and HODs that you have just experienced the video, that what accomplished people there at the university. And knowing each one, I felt so happy to hear their words welcoming you. And I know that they will make this journey not only fruitful, but highly successful, and put you on a path in your life to achieve whatever it is that you dream of and that what you want to achieve. My dear Amitians, you are today a batch that is unique from almost any other batch that we have had enter into Amity University. This is a great opportunity. Many of you must be thinking that we are in the middle of a crisis. The world is difficult. We are now online. I wish I could have been there in person. And there is no doubt that we also would have preferred seeing you at the campus today and to shake your hands, to see you in person, to welcome you and your families, your parents, your grandparents. But remember that life can give you challenges, and it is up to you and your character what you make out of it. You are being handed a world that is different than any other scenario that we have seen in a very long time. And as I look at history, I cannot think of many other opportunities where the world has been changed in a way that young people like you have a blank slate. You now have the opportunity to build and create a world as per your desire, your wanting. As a great Nobel laureate once said, when a car is moving, you cannot do much. But when the car is stopped, you can change the car, you can modify the car. And that is the state of our world today. And my Amitians, you are part of a great future for our nation and for the world. So even now, as you begin your journey of your academic programs, I want that you ponder and think very carefully about these opportunities. What is it that you can do for the future to make our country better than it was before? What can you do to make the world better than what it is even today? Each one of you may have apprehensions about what will my academic program be like, what does the future hold? And we have with us so many people who are there to guide you through the process, to innovate, to think with you how to get the best to you. My dear Amitians, you have shown that you have the aptitude and the attitude to join the academic program for which you have qualified, and I congratulate you. It is a great privilege to be able to get a university education at the highest level. Not many people have this opportunity. And today, I would request you that you take the opportunity to thank your parents and thank your family members for giving you this opportunity also. Because whenever someone succeeds, whenever someone gets an opportunity, It is not only your doing, but there are many, many people who are guiding you and who are helping you in your journey. And I know that your parents, your dear ones, your mentors, your other family members would certainly have been a part in helping you prepare and develop for this day here today. This is a very exciting journey. There is so much that you can achieve on this journey. And as one of your deans earlier said, what you achieve here will depend greatly on what you are willing to put into this experience. So my dear Amitians, from this moment onwards, I want you to think differently. I want you to behave differently. I want you to act differently. There should be a quantum jump in how you perceive the world and how the world perceives you. In thousands and tens of thousands of experiences that I've had, many people have told me that even within the first few days of Amity, my child is transformed. They are behaving differently, they are behaving better, they're behaving more responsibly. And that is our role as your educators, not only to give you a professional degree, not only to give you a technical education, but truly to help make you better human beings in every facet. At Amity, we have a core philosophy of values and sanskars. That means that each one of you has to very carefully think that who am I as a person? What is my character? Am I there to respect others? Am I there to respect the environment? Am I there to do the right thing? And do I know what is the right thing from the wrong thing? Many people can get technical inputs, but only few have the great benefit of learning about behavioral science, how to deal with other people, how to work in teams, how to have the soft skills to succeed in life. And already many of you must have that because you are sitting here in this orientation program. You would have seen that from many of your parents who are successful people in their own right. Your Vice Chancellor spoke earlier today, and he is a great man. He was the founder principal of Delhi College of Engineering. He was the founder Vice Chancellor of Delhi Technological University. He was the founder Vice Chancellor of Rajiv Gandhi Technological University in Bhopal after 20 years and more at IIT Delhi. But his most committed work and his greatest dedication has been in the role of Vice Chancellor of Amity University, Haryana. He has also been the president of the Association of Indian Universities, which makes him at that time the senior most Vice Chancellor of the country. So you can imagine that in whose patronage you are entering into the academic portals. Your Deputy Vice Chancellor, General Sohag, was for 2 terms the Vice Chancellor of MDU Rohtak, another great university, and he is working day and night to make the experience for you a better one. Your Pro-Vice Chancellor, Dr. Padmakali Banerjee, is a highly creative, innovative academician. She has created an academic flexibility for you that is unique maybe in the country, and I dare say that maybe your university was the first university to experiment and innovate with academic flexibility much before the government mandated it. So you will have the chance to expand your boundaries, expand your horizons, and to take courses and to experiment with programs that not many other universities will provide to you. I encourage you to take advantage and avail of this opportunity to almost customize and cater for yourself an academic program that suits you best. My dear Amitians, I wish you all the very best. As Professor Yadav had said, you are joining a family, not just joining a university. It means a lot to be an Amitian, and I pray that you learn very quickly what this responsibility is. It is a responsibility towards others, it's a responsibility towards your family, it is a responsibility towards the nation, and it is a responsibility to yourself that you attain the best that your potential has to offer. And we're all there to guide you. So this is a very happy day. It is a great day. I congratulate you. I congratulate your families. We are there with you on this journey. And this opportunity that is there for you to make the world in your vision. This is something that you must take very seriously. Have a big dream. think about how to achieve your dream, and we are all there to be with you throughout these next years and for the rest of your life. Welcome, Amitians.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Honorable Chancellor. I think it is very inspirational. So all students out there, I think you can clap from wherever you are for the
Thank you, sir. Your benign presence has always left an indelible mark on each one of us at Amity University Gurugram. At Amity University Gurugram, it has been our endeavor to engage students in thoughtful academic discourse, and with this in mind, Amity University Haryana regularly organizes seminars, panel discussions, and webinars with eminent dignitaries, including Nobel laureates. Besides academic activities, Amity University Gurugram organizes various mega events like Sangathan, a month-long mega event where students compete in different sports and games, which culminates in celebrations observed in honor of the birthday of Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan, our founder president. AmiFest, a two-day fest organized every year by Amity University Gurugram, ushers in the spirit of enthusiasm and exuberance amongst the youth. Amity University Gurugram's vision is to be a hub of creativity and innovation, and to contribute to the progress of humanity through excellence in education and industry and society relevant research and development. Every year, the month of September is dedicated to celebrating innovation and creativity, and September 28th is celebrated as Innovation Day. This day marks the celebration of innovations, inventions, projects, and presentations by Amitians spread over various campuses around the world, and also to celebrate our Honorable Chancellor, Dr. Aseem Chauhan's birthday. Amity Gurugram Marathon is one of the largest running Delhi and NCR organized by Amity University Gurugram. It has gained tremendous support from marathon enthusiasts, running communities, and professional long running athletes from around the world.